Good evening, children. How are you? I hope that you are all fine. See here, yesterday we discussed about parallel lines and their angles, corresponding angles, alternate angles, interior angles, like that. But now here, how to solve the solution of the equation? Solution of the equation is nothing but we have to find out the n value. How to find out? We already solved that solutions, but they are in normal equations, but here fractions. How to solve if they are in a fraction form? See, first of all, what we have to do, we have to find the LCM for this 5 and 7. These are prime numbers. 5 into 7 only. LCM is 5 into 7. So here, to make it 35, multiply with 7. If you multiply the denominator with 7, numerator also with 7. Here, to make it 35, multiply with 5. If you multiply the denominator with 5, you have to multiply the numerator with 5. So, 5 sevens 35, 7 fives 35. 7 into 9, n, 7n minus 5 fives 25 is equals to 2 by 3. So, cross multiplication. See, 3. With 3 you multiply whole. 7n minus 25 is equals to 2 into 35. So 3 sevens 21n minus 75. 3 into 25 75 is equal to 2 5 10, 2 3 6 1 7 70. So 21n is equals to 70. See, transpose this 75 minus 75. See, according to process, first we have to do division, then multiplication, then subtraction, then addition. But here, first you have to add or subtract. Then only you have to go for multiplication and division. See here minus 75. If you transpose it to the right hand side, it is plus 75. So 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 7, 14. So 21 n is equals to 145. N is equals to 145 by 21. So we found the n value. That is the solution of this particular problem. Exercise 2.5, first one. So if you see the second problem, same like this only. X by 3 minus x by 4 is equals to 14. See here, only one n term, one variable only. Here two variables, but the same variable only. But two variables are there. We will see how to solve this solution for this one. Solution is nothing but finding the x value. Solution. See, if you find the LCM for 3 and 4, LCM for 3 and 4 is 3 into 4 only. Because they are prime numbers, so their LCM is 3 into 4. So here 3 is there. Multiply with 4. 3 4s are 12. If you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also. Here also 4 3 is 12. If you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also into 3. See here 4 into x, 4x. Minus 3 into x, 3x is equals to 14. So 4x minus 3x, x by 12 is equals to 14. So cross multiplication, x is equals to 14 into 12. 12 fours, 48. 8 strike out, 12 ones, 12 plus 4, 16. So x is equals to 168 is the solution for this particular polynomial. Okay, particular equation or polynomial, whatever it may be. See the third one. In this way, we have to solve the fractions and find the solution for the particular equation. Now, three variables, three terms, z by 2 plus z by 3 minus z by 6 is equals to 8. See, here also same method only. See, three fractions means you should not worry and you should not fear about these three fractions. Whatever the fractions, you have to take the LCM. 2 comma 3 comma 6. Take the LCM for this one. 2 ones 3 as it is. 2 threes are 6. Again with 3. 3 ones 1. 2 threes are 6. 6 is the LCM. To make it 6, with which number we have to multiply? 2 threes. If you multiply the denominator, with same number you have to multiply the numerator also. See, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. If you multiply the denominator with same number, you have to multiply the numerator. 6, already 6 only. No need to multiply anything. So here 3z, 3 into z, 3z plus 2z, 2z minus z is equals to 8. So 3z plus 2z is equal to 5z minus z by 6 is equals to 8. 5z minus 8, 4z is equals to 8. Cross multiplication, 6 8s 48. So z is equals to 48. If you transpose this to the right hand side, here it is multiplying. If you transpose it, it divides. 4 ones, 4 twos. So z is equals to 12. The solution of this particular equation, z by 2 plus z by 3 minus z by 6 is equal to 8. So the solution of this particular equation, linear equation, is z is equals to 12. Okay, thank you.